Welcome to Easy BTech. Very good morning. Today's our topic is theorems on conjugate of transpose of a square matrix. So already we discussed what is conjugate of a matrix, what is transpose of a matrix, and what is Hermitian and what is skew Hermitian and what is unitary matrix. Already we discussed and we solved some of the example problems also on the topic. In this topic, we have to discuss only what are the theorems and what are the applications of Hermitian and skew Hermitian. See the theorem. See theorem 1. See the one important theorem. What is this? Show that every square matrix is uniquely expressed as the sum of Hermitian and skew Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrices. All of you check it. What is the theorem? Every square matrix, you can take any square matrix that can be expressed uniquely as the sum of Hermitian. Already we discussed the Hermitian. Hermitian means a power theta equals to a. And skew Hermitian, a power theta equals to minus a. So every square matrix is uniquely expressed as sum of Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrices. So this is our theorem. Now we have to prove it. It is the very important for our main examination. Let capital A be a square matrix. Let capital A be a square matrix. Take some matrix P equals to 1 by 2 into A plus A power theta. Then if we take like this, P equals to 1 by 2 into A plus A power theta, then we have to calculate P power theta. P power theta means 1 by 2 into A plus A power theta whole power theta. P power theta means here I applied theta on both sides, LHS and RHS. Then here 1 by 2 is constant, leave it. Then we can write A plus A power theta whole power theta. But already you know the properties. A plus B whole power theta can be written as A power theta plus B power theta. Therefore, this can be written as A power theta into whole power theta, like this. Okay, here I will write the property. What is that? A plus or minus B whole power theta can be written as A power theta plus or minus B power theta. This property already we discussed in the previous class. So according to this property we can write like this. So this can be written as 1 by 2 into A power theta plus A. So what is this property? Already we discussed A power theta whole power theta is always equals to A. Therefore this one, if you write in the symmetric manner, then you can write A plus A power theta. This is again equals to the given matrix, our taken matrix P. Therefore here this is equals to P. Finally what happened? P power theta equals to P. Therefore P power theta equals to P, then P is called, already you know the skew Hermitian. What is the definition of Hermitian? A power theta equals to A, then A is called Hermitian. Here A power P power theta equals to P, then P is Hermitian matrix. Hermitian matrix. This is what happened. Here A is a skew matrix. Here A is a square matrix. Here we taken a matrix P such that 1 by 2 into A plus A power theta. Then we proved A power theta equals to P. Then A power theta, P power theta equals to P. If P power theta equals to P, then P is called Hermitian matrix. So finally here we proved P is the Hermitian matrix. Now here I want to consider one more matrix. Take one more matrix, that is some q equals to, here I want to take some q equals to 1 by 2 into a minus a power theta. If you take q equals to 1 by 2 into a minus a power theta, then I want find q power theta. Q power theta means 1 by 2 into a minus a power theta whole power theta. So according to the same properties what we applied in the previous page, so here also we have to apply the same thing. 1 by 2 is the constant into a minus a power theta whole power theta. So if you observe here what happened, that equals to 1 by 2 into, here according to the property a plus or minus b whole power theta can be written as a power theta plus or minus b power theta. So according to that property, this can be written as a power theta minus a power theta into whole power theta. So here already you know that a power theta minus this is equals to a. Why? Because a power theta whole power theta is always equals to a. Therefore here a power theta whole power theta you can write a. Then here if you take minus common, then what happened? This can be written as a minus a power theta. If you take minus common, the symbol should be changed. Therefore, finally what happened? This is minus. Again, this is equals to q. So finally, what we proved here? A power theta equals to minus q. So already you know a power theta equals to minus a. Then a is called, a is skew Hermitian. Skew Hermitian. Therefore, this is skew Hermitian. Therefore, here, therefore, q power theta equals to minus q. Therefore, then q is skew Hermitian. Skew Hermitian. Here P is Hermitian matrix, Q is skew Hermitian matrix. Now I want to take, now I want to add P plus Q. What is P? 1 by 2 into a plus a power theta plus q. Q means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into a minus a power theta. In these two terms 1 by 2 is common. If you take 1 by 2 common, you will get a minus a power theta plus, sorry, a plus a power theta plus a minus a power theta. Here a power theta plus a power theta minus a power theta both should be cancelled. These two cancel. Then finally you will get 1 by 2 into a plus a, 2a, 2 to cancel, then finally we will get a. So finally what happened? P plus q equals to a. What is the meaning of p plus q equals to a? P plus q equals to a. P plus q equals to a means a equals to p plus q. That means a means square matrix. A means square matrix. This square matrix is equals to P. P means Hermitian. Hermitian matrix. What is Q? Q means skew Hermitian matrix. Skew Hermitian matrix. Finally, what happened? A square matrix equals to Hermitian matrix plus skew Hermitian matrix. This is our proof. So here unitary matrix. Unitary means already in the symmetric matrices already we proved how to prove the unitary. So you can practice the similar manner. You will get the this proof is this expression is unique. So uniqueness you can prove similar uniqueness. Uniqueness. Uniqueness we can prove we can prove uniqueness. This property we can prove, or proof of this uniqueness proof is similar to uh, symmetric matrix, symmetric and skew symmetric. Yeah. So my dear students, we have to prove this one. Uniqueness proof is similar to symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So in the topic symmetric and skew symmetric, already I given the proof of. For this uniqueness, you will solve this one. Now I will go to the next theorem. Next theorem. These two theorems are very important. What is this theorem? Every Hermitian matrix, every Hermitian can be written as A plus IB, where A is real symmetric and B is real skew symmetric. This is the very, very important theorem. Every Hermitian matrix, you can take any Hermitian matrix that can be expressed or that can be written as A plus IB form. So what is A? Here A is real symmetric matrix and B is real skew symmetric matrix. So this is a important proof. Suppose for example, let capital H be, here the capital H be a Hermitian matrix. Let capital H be a Hermitian matrix. What is the meaning of Hermitian matrix? Let H be a Hermitian matrix. Hermitian matrix means, already you know, Hermitian matrix means H power theta equals to H. Hermitian matrix means H power theta equals to H. Suppose A is a Hermitian, then A power theta equals to A. Here H is Hermitian means H power theta equals to H. This is the Hermitian matrix. Now I want to take capital A equals to 1 by 2 into, here capital A equals to 1 by 2 into H plus conjugate of H. Here I am taking A equals to 1 by 2 into H plus conjugate of H, and also B equals to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2i into H minus conjugate of H. So here I am taking the two matrices capital A and capital B. Capital A is 1 by 2 into H plus conjugate of H, and B equals to 1 by 2i into H minus conjugate of H. So now I want to prove A is symmetric and B is skew symmetric. That means A is symmetric means A transpose equals to A. Therefore first I want to take A transpose. Apply transpose on both sides. If you apply the transpose on both sides here, 1 by 2 into H plus H bar whole transpose. Here also apply the transpose on both sides, then you will get B transpose equals to 1 by 2i into H minus H bar. This is whole transpose. Now come to here, 1 by 2 is constant, leave it outside. Then the remaining is H plus H bar whole transpose. Here B transpose equals to, here also 1 by 2 is 1 by 2i is constant, leave outside, then the remaining is h minus h bar whole transpose. Therefore, that equals to 1 by 2 into whole transpose can be written as h transpose plus here conjugate of h, that means h bar whole transpose. This is here also b transpose equals to 1 by 2i into whole transpose. Whole transpose can be written as h transpose minus h bar whole transpose. This is so here you know that 1 by 2 into h transpose plus conjugate whole transpose, that means h bar whole transpose can be written as simply h power theta. Here also b transpose equals to 1 by 2i into h transpose minus here h bar whole transpose. H bar whole transpose simply it is denoted by h power theta, but h power theta value equals to h already you can see in the starting. Therefore h 1 by 2 into h transpose plus h power theta. H power theta means already you know h. Here also b transpose equals to 1 by 2i into here h transpose minus h power theta. H power theta means in the problem they given h is Hermitian matrix. H is Hermitian matrix means h power theta equals to h. Therefore here at this place of h we can write h. So here also I will write h. Here also I will write h power theta equals to, since h power theta equals to h, h power theta equals to h. Yes, h power theta equals to h. This is okay. So all of you observe here, a transpose equals to 1 by 2 into a transpose equals to 1 by 2 into h transpose plus h, and b transpose equals to 1 by 2i into h transpose minus h. So here we have to observe one thing. What is that? It is a very important logic I will apply here. What is that? See here I will write here what is this one. You know a power theta. A power theta can be written as a bar whole transpose. Everyone known about this one. This can be written as like this. Now I want to write a power theta whole transpose. A power theta whole transpose means we can write, apply transpose on both sides, a power theta whole transpose. Therefore simply can be written as a power theta whole transpose a bar transpose whole transpose can be written as a bar. That means a power theta whole transpose can be written as a bar. Keep this point, it is very important. I will apply this logic. Once again I will explain. A power theta means a bar whole transpose. Apply transpose on both sides. A power theta whole transpose here. A bar power transpose whole transpose. But here there is a two transposes. Transpose whole transpose. Transpose and whole transpose. Here the two transposes, transpose both are cancelled. Again you will get a bar. So a power theta whole transpose can be written as a bar. Keep this point. But here what they given? H is Hermitian. H is Hermitian means h power theta equals to h. At the place of h I will write h. Or we can apply theta on both sides. You can apply transpose on both sides. So here h power theta whole transpose. H power theta whole transpose can be written as h bar. H bar equals to h transpose. Don't confuse about this one. See this one. According to this one, we can write like this. A power theta whole transpose. A power theta whole transpose equals to a bar. Therefore, h power theta whole transpose equals to h bar. Therefore, here at the place of h transpose, we can write h bar. See the previous page. Here, at this place, h power t. H power t. At the place of h power t here, and here also h power t. At the place of h power t, I can write according to this property. According to this property, at the place of h power t, we can write h bar. Okay, at the place of h power t, we can write h bar. Therefore, see here in this a power t equals to 1 by 2 into, okay, a power t into a power t equals to 1 by 2 into h power t. H power t means h bar plus h. H bar plus h. See this one? H bar plus h. Similarly, b power t equals to 1 by 2i. 1 by 2i into h power t. H power t means here h power t. At this place we can write h bar. H bar minus a. H bar minus h. Therefore we can write here b power t equals to 1 by 2i into 1 by 2i into h bar minus h. H bar minus h. Yeah, according to this one. Therefore, here finally what happened? This can be written as a power t equals to, this is equals to a. See what is a here? See, come to previous page. What is a? A equals to 1 by 2 into h plus h bar. Therefore, here 1 by 2 into, this can be written as h plus h bar. That means this is a. This is equals to a. Therefore, a transpose equals to a. Come to here, b transpose equals to, here if you take minus common, then you will get 1 by 2i into h minus, if you take minus common, you will get, it should be reverse, h minus h bar. This is equals to minus b. Therefore, b transpose equals to minus b. Therefore, a transpose equals to a and b transpose equals to minus b. Therefore, a transpose equals to a means a is symmetric. Here b transpose equals to minus b means b is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. Therefore, A is symmetric and B is skew symmetric. So now just see once the previous page, this is A and this is B. But what we have to prove? Every Hermitian matrix, that means H is Hermitian. Every Hermitian matrix can be written as A plus IB. So first find A plus IB. Already you know this is A, this is B. First find A plus IB. A plus IB. A plus IB means A means already you know 1 by 2 into H plus H bar plus I into B. What is B? 1 by 2 I into 1 by 2 I into H minus H bar. Here I cancel and 1 by 2 is common. Then you will get H plus H bar plus H minus H bar. H minus H bar. Therefore, here H cancel. Then finally you will get 1 by 2 into 2H. Therefore, finally 2 to cancel H. Finally, what happened? A plus IB. A plus IB equals to H. What is H here? H is Hermitian. Therefore, if you observe here what happened, H equals to A plus IB. H equals to A plus IB. IB. What is H? Hermitian. Hermitian. This Hermitian equals to A. A means symmetric. Plus IB. I into B. B means skew Hermitian. That means every Hermitian matrix can be written as A plus IB, where I is symmetric and B is skew symmetric. This is the very important theorem, my dear students. It is very important for our examination. Thank you.